your back, and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this differently.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can tell, I am rocking this super cute ombre wig. This hair is brought to you by Nadula Hair Company. So of course I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how I pluck and style my units, a new technique, and how I do my baby hair. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Lacey, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't, because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a nice cream silky robe, a wig bag, as well as some wig caps, an elastic band, some eyelashes, a bonnet, a headband, so many goodies. This unit is an ombre water wave brown highlighted unit, 24 inches at 150% density. She is 13x4 lace wig, as well as adjustable straps and combs. So our first step today is to bleach these knots. I'm taking quick blue powder and 50 volume developer, mixing that to create a nice thick consistency, and then we're taking our Got To Be Glue Blast Free Spray, combing those little hairs back so we can avoid over bleaching, and then I just let that sit for over an hour and wash it out. So I learned a new technique on plucking a unit, and we're going to use water this time. So we're going to part out the baby hairs first, you guys. So this is what we're going to do, and then spray the water onto the hairline, and we're going to pluck. We're going to take our time. So this is basically the rate I was going when plucking the unit, and then I was looking and just basically plucking as I go, and whatever spot I plucked at, I went back more to pluck even more hair from that same line. So how you see how there's like little, I don't even know how to explain it, but little lines. I basically try to pluck more and more to create nice little lines, make it look like scalp basically. I think you can tell by how I'm plucking is better. I'm really bad at plucking or explaining how I pluck, but see how I am going back into that one spot and keep going back all the way till the frontal is no more. So that's what I do, and I take my time. This just creates more of a natural look in my opinion, and it just has more control. Definitely take your time. I feel like the longer you take your time with customizing your units, the better it will look in my opinion. And yeah, that's all I did. And then we are going to use our wax stick. You can check that out on my website if you're interested. And we're going to hot comb the parting down. So I basically parted the frontal from the wig cap, and I basically hide the tracks, and then I am hot combing the hairline and the parting back, and then leaving the baby hairs out so I could just install it right then and there. And this is the result. Looks super natural and cute. So now we're going to install this unit. I am doing the ball cap method. I'm actually going to play a song that I found on Epidemic Sound while you watch me install this unit, and then I'll get back to you when I am doing the baby hairs. I have a new technique on that as well. So I'm super excited to show you guys because I'm switching things up. I felt like my units was not coming out as normal, so I had to switch things up.
trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. But I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. This is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before.
I hope you liked the song as much as I did. Definitely check out Epidemic Sound. So you guys, as you can tell, I did still curl my baby hairs. That's still the same technique I'm doing, but this time I added the YTBGIFT glue gel onto the ends of the baby hairs, and then I'm using mousse. I used to not like mousse because I just felt like it was too watery. It would just run down, but yeah, I feel like the mousse is actually helping with my baby hairs better. So this is basically my first time doing this technique, so I'm going to start doing this for multiple installs, and I feel like the growth on this is going to be extremely better than what I'm giving to y'all back in earlier months. So I really like the mousse trick, and so yeah, just like trying new techniques out, especially if things aren't working for you guys. It's okay to switch up the technique, because maybe sometimes your body or your technique is tired and they want to do something different. I don't know, but every time I switch something up, I just feel like my installs get better and better. So don't be afraid if you keep doing the same thing over and over and then get bored of it, or it's not turning out how it used to. Maybe it's time to switch up your technique, girl, and I'm here for you. Okay, so here I am just combing out the baby hairs, and I'm like super impressed on how it turned out. The next time I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna take out more of the baby hairs, just because the baby hairs was looking a little thin on this install, but I really like how natural it looked. I just felt like I'm back in the game, okay? I always gotta show out to y'all, and I'm just really excited that this install came out bomb. So that is basically it. I just love how it came out. I love the curl pattern as well and the color. Thank you so much, Nadula Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Multiplying, I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning.